So hi guys, welcome to the new video. Uh, in this video, we are now going to visit 5 websites more. And in my previous video, I also covered most of the websites. You can check also. And day by day, we are going to cover the lot of websites. So I want you to please visit these websites and bookmark it in your Chrome browser or in any browser that you use, so you don't have to not to uh, search day by day. And you can also visit my channel's video if you not get any video, if you not get any website, and if you want any website to be, and you not get any website in the browser, and comment on this video. I will give you the link of that websites or a website link. Okay, so our so the first website of this video will be basically your childhood website, which is also I am also most interested about it. That is a retro website. Basically, this website is give you the games which is which made at the time of retro time. Okay, so first of all, as you come in this website, you will see the retro games, which is basically, that is, you can see there is a website Super Mario and Mario games that you not get on the our uh, Google Play apps. So if you want to play the retro games, you can come here and enjoy your time with this. So if you want to play, just click on the any game of you want, and here is the play now button. You can also download it also, but I will play in this video. ओके, मैं आपको डाउनलोड करके दिखा नहीं सकता. यहाँ से आप स्टार्ट गेम करिए. कुछ टाइम लोड होगा यहाँ पे, और कुछ टाइम लोड होने के बाद में आपको दिखाएगा ये कैसे क्या करना है. फर्स्ट विल वेट फॉर अ सेकेंड. ओके, लेट्स वेट. It's taking us some time for a while. Wait for a while. I will show you the names of it. Here you can see the most of the varieties of games you can came here on a Sony game, PS1, PS2 type वाले games. You can also here can play here, and Game Gear games वगैरह वगैरह बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. ओके, जब तक ये लोड हो रहा है, हम सेकंड वेबसाइट पे जाके देखते हैं कि वहाँ पे और दूसरी वेबसाइट मैंने क्या आपको दिखाना है. तो देयर इज अ वेबसाइट कॉल्ड Zoomer. This website which basically show you the map of your world, or a map of your world. If you want to see your countries, basically I am from India, so I am showing you the India's map. And if you want to see any anything that is anything that is anything that is uh, basically with the radar system. So if you want to see any website with the radar, you can see with the radar. And wind wise, you can see the मैप ऑफ ए वीडियो कि आपका विंड कहाँ से. देखो, विंड यहाँ से जाके फ्लो कि यहाँ से हो रहा है, यहाँ से फ्लो हो रहा है. न्यू दिल्ली साइड विंड कम है ज़रा. विंड एक गस्ट वाले दिखाएंगे यहाँ पे आपको, फॉरकास्ट वाले. आपको ह्यूमिडिटी कितनी है ये भी दिखाएगा, तो आप इसको अपने नॉर्मल चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ करें. टेम्परेचर वाइज द मैप विल शो यू द, एज यू कैन सी, द टेम्परेचर इन our country. There is a lot hotness there. And okay, so this website called zoom.earth, you can came here and see the whatever you want. Okay, this website is basically a website which give you the link of a dark web. For example, I want to know the know the human anatomy website, which is on the dark web, which is basically the website which is hidden from the actual internet. Okay, तो इफ़ आई सर्च हियर आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ नहीं, मुझे कुछ मिल तो नहीं रहा है। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं गोस्ट सर्च मारता हूँ, तो गोस्ट के ऊपर सर्च मारे मैंने, और आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ वेबसाइट विच इज़ नॉट ओपन ऑन दिस वेब. So if you want to open this website, you should clear first step is to copy this link in a new tab, and you want to go to the Brave browser, and on a Brave browser there is a Tor website. You can came in Tor website, which is basically provide you the VPN, and also provide you the facility to access the dark web. So the copy you the link you copied from that website, just paste here and and enter the button. The this website will open that website. So basically open the website on your purpose, on your on your behalf. uh, okay. वार्निंग दी गई है वेबसाइट्स के लिंक कॉपी नहीं हुआ. ओके, लिंक कॉपी नहीं हुआ, लिंक कॉपी कर लो. लिंक कॉपी कर तो ओपन लिंक इन न्यू टैब. नहीं, लिंक कॉपी नहीं करनी इसको, इसका लिंक कॉपी करना है, कॉपी लिंक एड्रेस. ओके, लिंक कॉपी कर लिया हमने. यहाँ पे हम पेस्ट करते हैं, पेस्ट करते हैं. अब ये वेबसाइट कहाँ पे, क्योंकि बेसिकली दिस वेबसाइट इज कॉल्ड टॉर ओनियन वेबसाइट, basically open on a onion on. Okay, so you don't have to this about a ghost gun market. This is called as a gun market. You can see their website. I don't recommend you to visit this website, but you can, for a fun, you can come here and see the websites. Okay, so if I want something like human, तो ह्यूमन के ऊपर हम सर्च मारते हैं, देखते हैं ह्यूमन से रिलेटेड कुछ आता है कि नहीं वेबसाइट. तो ह्यूमन से रिलेटेड वेबसाइट, यस, ह्यूमन्स आ गया. ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी, गेम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स एंड ह्यूमन राइट टीम्स, ह्यूमन ऑर्गन्स. As you can see that illegal things here is also sell. So I don't want you to please go there, but I will show you in this website. This is a website which open. Okay, ये देखिए ह्यूमन ऑर्गन्स आपको मिलेंगे जो कि बहुत पैसों में बिकते हैं. मैं कहूँगा कि आप ना विज़िट करें तो बेहतर है आपके लिए सब चीज़ें. ह्यूमन हार्ट्स वगैरह लोग लेते हैं, कुछ लोग आँखें वगैरह बिकती हैं. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू फॉर सो फार. ना दिस वेबसाइट विल क्लोज. Also a website called is this website called Ahmia, है ना. ओके, ahmia.website you can visit. Okay, this website also came. ये हम ये देख लेते हैं, कंट्रोल वाला हो चुका है. यहाँ पे देखो ये वेबसाइट आ चुकी है हमारी, ये मारियो वाली जो हमने लोड करके रखी थी हो चुकी है. यू कैन सी. So you can play the game here, and the next website will be the Softmurmur. The softmurmur.com basically a website which give you the music, which give the background music of the rain, thunders, waves, and also. So if you want to increase the game, rain का बनाया, rain के अलग अलग So one next what is submarine cable map. So you can this website which help you to give the overview of your over world. This is submarine cable map which help you to provide a internet or the video you see on the internet which came from this wire and come to your phone from the satellite. But the server which is connected from the different server which is come from the submarine cable map. So here you can see the different wires here is connected with. Okay, so if I want to see my the wires which came from India, so here you can see them from Mumbai. There is a most of wire came. The first is CME wave, बहुत सारे waves हैं, तो केबल में आप सब देख सकते हैं आप. So our last website will be the Wiki Roulette, the website which is generate new Wikipedias which you can read if you are free and if you have minutes of if you are in a train. So if you want to do what to do is next button, and this website will give you the different Wikipedias which you can read and knowledge your brains, knowledge your make your more knowledge about the different things. Okay, so next you can get a different types of Wikipedias here. Okay, so this for the website. This is all about website which I shown you in this. So if you like this videos, please hit a like button and share these videos, and also comment on this video if you want. Sorry for the video comments which I off on the 4 videos which I uploaded today and in the previous days. So this is a website which you can see and comment down your best website which I shown in this video. Thank you.